Good morning, my students. We are going to continue on class of phonics. You can go to page 70. Okay, we are going to continue with chart 6, the words of chart 6. And we are going to start with a combination with the special sound BL. Sound of BL sounds like bl, 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 as in block, 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 bl, 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 as in block, block. Okay, so let's start with the practice. Remember, this is short sound, so we're going to start with the short sounds. Okay, blah, blah, ble, blee, blue, blah, blah, ble, blee, blue, blah, blah, ble, blee, blue. Okay, now we go with the long sounds. Okay, so we have blue, 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 bly, 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 blay, 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 blow, 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 blee, blee, blee. Excellent. So let's going to start with a combination of special sounds, okay? So remember, half a moon, short sound, line is long sound, okay? Okay, let's see. Stay, 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 ply, 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 tra, 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 show, 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 thu, 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 thu. Okay, excellent. So let's go with the words. We have black, 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 blush, 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 blame, 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 blue, blue, blue. Excellent. So let's continue. Blend, 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 blit, 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 bless, 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 blast, blast, blast. Very good. Stun, 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 plus, 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 thing, 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 tried, tried, tried. Excellent, sweeties. So let's continue with this story, okay? So let's see. We have side word 2. So let's continue with the reading. The black sheep is shy. The black sheep is shy. The black sheep is shy. He will stand in the shade and bleed. He will stand in the shade and bleed. He will stand in the shade and bleed. We like to feed him grass. We like to feed him grass. We like to feed him grass. Excellent. Very good. So let's continue. We have the special sound of CL. The sound of CL sounds like cl, 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 as in cluck, cluck, cluck. So let's see. We have a combination here, okay? We have short and long, short, and then long, and then a combination, okay? So let's see. Clue, clue, clee, clee, clue, 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 cla, 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 clay, clay, clay. Very good. Plow, 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 clue, 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 clay, 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 clee, 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 clay, clay, clay. Very good. Clay, 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 clap, 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 clap. Clow, 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 clee, 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 plow, plow, plow. Very good. Excellent. So now we go with the words. Clam, clam, claim, claim, cloth, 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 clean, clean, clean. Excellent. Club, 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 clip, 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 click, 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 clay, clay, clay. Excellent, sweeties. So let's continue. Clash, 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 clap, 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 pluck, 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 clump, clump, clump. Excellent. One more time. Clash, 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 clap, 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 pluck, pluck, cluck, clump, clump, clump. Excellent. So we have side words here, okay? We have says and to. The clock in the class says 9. The clock in the class says 9. The clock in the class says 9. It is time to play with clay. It is time to play with clay. It is time to play with clay. At 10, it is time to clean up. At 10, it is time to clean up. Please clean up the clay J. Please clean up the clay J. Okay, excellent. Let's continue. Let's go to next page. We have the special sound FL. FL sounds like fl, 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 fl as in flake, 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 fl, 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 fl as in flake, flake. Okay, excellent. So we have, remember, short sound and long sound, okay? So we have flu, flu, fla, fla, flea, flea, flaw, flaw, flay, flay. Now long sound. Flow, 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 flee, 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 flew, 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 flay, 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 fly, fly, fly. Excellent. Now let's go with a combination. We have flee, flee, flay, flay, flaw, flaw, flew, flew, flee, flee. Excellent, sweeties. Let's continue. Flap, flap, flee, flee, fly, fly, flame, flame. Flop, flop, flute, flute, flakes, flakes, float, float, flip, flip, flutes, flutes, flash, flash, flap, flap. Excellent. So let's continue. with this short story, okay? So let's see. We have side words I and says. I can see the flag fly. I can see the flag fly. I can see the flag fly. The wind makes it flat. The wind makes it flat. The wind makes it flat. Snap, flap, snap, flap. Snap, flap, snap, flap. The flag says, "This is my land." The flag says, "This is my land." The flag says, "This is my land." Excellent. So let's continue with the special sound GL. The special sound GL sounds like G, 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 as in glue, glue, G, 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 as in glue, glue. Okay, so remember, short sound, long sound. Short sound, let's see. Glue, 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 gla, 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 glee, 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 glow, 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 glare, glare, glare. I'm sorry. Okay. And now, long sound. Glow, 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 glue, 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 glay, 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 glee, 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 glide, glide, glide. Excellent. Glad, glass, glove, glen, glad, glass, glove, glen, glad, glass, glove, glen, glue, glide, glaze, gloom, glue, glide, glaze, gloom, glue, glide, glaze, gloom, glue, glide, glaze, gloom. Excellent. So we have special sounds mixed, okay? Ducks, trucks, plucks, clucks. Ducks, trucks, plucks, clucks. Ducks, trucks, plucks, clucks. Ducks, trucks, plucks, clucks. Excellent. Did you notice that rhymes? Sí, ¿verdad? ¿Notaron que se rimaba? Okay, cool. Okay, so let's continue with the short story. We have two, as a side word we have two and I. Mom made a big cake. Mom made a big cake. It has a glaze on it. It has a glaze on it. It has a glaze on it. Tim likes to eat the glaze. Tim likes to eat the glaze. But I like the cake best. But I like the cake best. But I like the cake best. Excellent. So let's continue with the last page of today. We have a review of short 6. Tenemos un repaso de la short 6, del cuadro 6, okay? So let's start with the review. Gulls, shell, clam, fish, duck, black, quacks, fly, clean, dust, shine, mouse, truck, plane, ship, train, stop, go, tick, ting, click, quick, stick, trick, cuts, paste, sheet, glue, mat, plus, sums, quick, stay, play, tray, way. And we have two special words, jacket and bucket. Excellent! And with that, we have finished the class of phonics of today. It has been a pleasure for me. If you have any questions, you can reach me. Goodbye.